Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to log into your Yaamava employee account. Guys, for this, you need to do is open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. Now bring up the search bar and type in Yaamava employee login and hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link. Click on that link. Now you'll be taken to the official website of Yaamava. Now at the top right of your screen, you can see the sign in button. Click on that button. Now you will be taken to the new interface which is sign in. Simply enter your email address over here. Similarly enter your password over here. And once you hit on sign in button you will be able to access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot your password. In case if you don't have any account of Yaamava, click on create account. Then you will be able to create your new account. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.